Um, Armor's looking bad because I was messing around with it. And I was trying to get perks, but now I don't have any perks and I look stupid, so. Didn't really win. Didn't really win that one. Didn't really win that one. Alright. I kinda know Ocelotto's moves. I just know he has hyper armor on his zone attack. That's about it. Ooh. Nice little cheetah. Okay. Okay. So we find out. Oh, we find out that he's good at parrying. He's good at parrying, and I'm not good at blocking. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, he got me. He got me with that. He got me with that. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know what to do. But we found out his moveset. That's the most important part, is finding out what they do. If they like to parry, then just feint into guard breaks. If they wait for the guard break, let it throw. Let it throw. He just likes to attack. Oop, oop, he got me with that one. Oop, oop, he got me with that one. Oop, yep, he's still parrying. He's still parrying. Oop. Ooh, ooh. Come on, Betsy. Come on, Betsy. I need to get my parries up. I need to get my parries up. So far, good. I fainted that on my buttons. Okay, that works. That works. I feel like there's some lag that helped me with that, but that works. That works. That works. That's my version of a teabag. Just straight on him. Straight on him. We got this comeback. We got this comeback. Ooh, fuck. Oh, that might have not been good. Ooh, I don't know what to do here. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know what to do because when I'm out of stamina, you can't dodge or else it'll faint into a guard break. So that worked. That worked. I don't know if he was just gonna keep throwing them or fainting them. Because if he fainted that last one that I dodged out of stamina on. We got that. We got that. Big money. We got that. Big money. We got that. Big money. Yep. Big money. Big money. The comeback was real. Figure out their moveset and break them down. Break them down. Break them down. Woo! Woo! Alright, that was easy. That was easy. Easy money. It don't make no sense. This is gonna be hell. This is gonna be hell. This is gonna be hell. We'll see. We'll see. I need to remember to not faint. Like, just faint and see what happens. Oh wait, do we have respect? I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Oop. 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 Yep, this time he'll be ready for the guard break, so we'll just throw the unblockable. It's just math. It's just math. I thought this would be a lot harder, but don't let me speak too soon. Don't let me speak too soon, because Shaolins are annoying as hell to fight. Oop, oop. Wait, hey. Respect. There we go. There we go. We like this guy. Yep, he's ready for it. Yep, and that's where we throw it. I told you, I told you, I told you, I told you what would happen. Ooh. Ooh. Go fight, go fight, go fight, go fight, go fight. Yeah, he doesn't use his key stance as much as I would use it. I don't know, I do the tap tap tap, but you do the tap tap, hold, right heavy, left heavy, and then feint into a guard break. That works pretty well. Ooh, I dashed. I dashed on my screen. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. 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 Played me for a fool. Played me for a fool. Go fight. Go fight, go fight, go fight. My head. What rep is he? He's rep 1 and he can look like that? That makes a lot more sense. I didn't know you could look like that on rep 1. Why doesn't anybody else get to look that cool on rep 1? Ooh. Ooh. Kick. Do that. Feint. Ooh, that was such a clean little combo. That was such a clean little combo. That was such a clean little combo. Good fight. Look at your head. Look at your head. Look at your head. Doesn't matter how cool you look. Your tail, sir. Sir. Your tail's in rigor mortis. Your tail's in rigor mortis. Oh. Go to my stir fry. Women like a stir fry. Alright, what rep is he? Sir, you've played Centurion more than I've played this game. I think that's an issue. I think that's an issue. This one's gonna be an issue. We'll see though. We'll see though. This is a good one to end on. If we win this. Okay. Ooh. Why do I dash? Ooh. Ooh, okay. Okay. We get him to dash. We get him to dash on that. We're just trying to train him. Easy. Easy money. Easy money. We got him. We got him falling for it. We got him falling for it. Ah, easy. Oh, you missed your attack. I'm gonna get ya. You missed your attack. I'm gonna get ya. That's crazy. He has more experience in Centurion than I do in this whole game. And you know how sad it would be if you lost? This must be the only game you play. Ooh, I tried to parry that. Ooh, good shit, good shit, good shit. We'll just give that to you. We'll give that to you. Ooh, okay. He knew what I was doing. He knew what I was doing. Oh, good fight, good fight, good fight, good fight. That just, the timing on that, I kicked him as he stabbed me. How does my kick go through, but then the stab still goes through? Which one happened? How does that happen? This game's broken. It's against me. It doesn't want me to win. Oop, he saw that one coming. What am I doing? What am I doing? Ooh, I should have just let that fly. Ooh, we got him trained. 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 Oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck, it's an issue. Oh, it's an issue. Oh, it's an issue. Oh, it's an issue. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. We take those. We take those. Just a little light. Just a little. Just a little. Come on. Come on. You're dead. You're dead. Come on. Just get down on the ground. Come on. You're dead. You're dead. It's okay. Sometimes you need to persuade. Sometimes you need your persuasion skill to roll a little higher. You need advantage. And I got advantage. Got you again with that. Got you again with that. Ooh. 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 Ooh, fuck. Free low. Put the game down. Go play Roblox. Thanks for watching. We're getting better. We're slowly getting better. And I'm just trying to upload a bunch of things and hopefully something explodes. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Do your thing. I'll see you guys again soon. Let me know what game you guys want me to play. Because so far, I'm getting better at whatever game I'm posting. I'm coming for the top spot.